In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox in a Confluence page. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, organizing your personal projects, or managing tasks across teams, using checkboxes in Confluence can significantly improve the way you track and manage information. Now, let's dive into the process together, step by step. To start, you first need to open your preferred web browser. Any browser that you usually use, like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, will work perfectly fine for this purpose. Once your browser is open and you're ready, the next step is to search for Confluence. You can do this by typing Confluence into your search engine, and it should lead you directly to the Confluence login page. If you've already used Confluence before, simply log in with your existing credentials. However, if you're new to Confluence, don't worry. You can sign up for a free account quite easily. The platform guides you through the sign-up process, ensuring that you can get started quickly and without any hiccups. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Confluence page to which you want to add a checkbox. Locate the particular page or create a new one, depending on your needs. To edit and add elements to the page, click on the pencil icon situated usually at the top or side of the page. This action takes you directly into the edit mode, where you can start making changes. As you're now in edit mode, the first thing you need to do is type the / or the # symbol on your keyboard. Doing so opens a menu that offers a wide range of options to enhance your content. Next, to find the checkbox option, type Action Item into the menu that appears. After inputting Action Item, a list of options will present itself to you. Choose Action Item from these choices. This is a crucial step, as it directly relates to adding tasks and checkboxes to your document. Upon selecting Action Item, a checkbox appears where you can start entering the task information. Click next to the checkbox and type the description of your task. Make sure to be clear and concise so that anyone else viewing the page can understand what needs to be done. Once you've entered your task, simply press Enter on your keyboard. Doing so creates a new, unchecked checkbox on the following line. This allows you to add multiple tasks sequentially. You can repeat this process for each task you need to add. Continue this until all your tasks for that particular section are listed. And that's it. You've successfully added checkboxes to your Confluence page. These checkboxes are not only functional for tracking tasks, but also provide a clean, organized way to present information. Don't forget that you can always go back into edit mode to check, edit, or remove tasks as needed. Thanks for sticking with me through the tutorial, and happy organizing!